13. She doesn't mind it either. 14. 15. 16. 17. Oh, my arms are starting to hurt. 18.
From that little puppy. She's like falling asleep.
20.
Is she asleep? No.
21. Ow! My arms burn. I'm kidding you. 22.
You shit me not.
24. 25.
And the last one's her head like goes up.
27.
Her ears.
28. 29.
You're gonna make her throw up. Again. Hi, princess.
Hello. Ah! Hello.
It's the cutest puppy in the world.
Look at her, watch your face, watch her.
Oh my god. Rachel. Be nice to it. Oh crap, I almost dropped her.
Come here, the cute puppy.
I think you made her feel bad again. She's sick again. Nice going.